Our research institute, Te Atawhai sits firmly within an environmental context where we have relationships and are supported not only by Whanganui iwi, but our wider Te Rangatupua collective of iwi within the Rangitike, o Taiape, Ruape'u and South Taranaki region. The Whanganui Roe has a population of just under 70,000 people, with Māori making up 27%. Whanganui City itself is home to approximately 47,000 people. Te Atawhai began our journey from the seaside suburb in Castlecliff to where we are today. We remain true to our focus on kaupapa Māori research that privileges Indigenous voices, particularly in relation to health and the environment. Like our awa that flows from the mountains of the Central Plateau out to Tangaroa, connecting with the rest of the world, our research has an impact that reaches far beyond our shores. Mai te pūtake ki te kopanga.